My name is Roslyn Holman. I'm from Darlington, South Carolina. I am a victim of civil court corruption. For 6 years now, the District Court of South Carolina has denied me my constitutional right to due process in 2 civil rights lawsuits. The Department of Justice, the FBI, various judicial misconduct agencies, and for the most part my federally elected officials, have all disregarded my formal and informal complaints pleading for government intervention. The few responses I have received advise me to contact an attorney or suggest I contact agencies previously contacted. My first lawsuit was filed following my unlawful retaliatory termination for filing a job discrimination complaint with EEOC. 2 months before the scheduled trial date, the magistrate and district judges entered into a conspiracy with the defendant's attorney, whereby the defendant filed a perjurious motion for summary judgment, and contrary to Local Rule 56 governing motions for summary judgment, the defendant's motion was granted, my unaddressed counter motion was denied, and my case was unlawfully dismissed. Unfamiliar with rules governing void orders and judgments, I filed an unnecessary appeal. Although the case record confirmed the district judge orders were based on fraud, the Court of Appeal for the Fourth Circuit affirmed his judgment. Although I filed my second motion against all parties involved in the deprivation of my civil rights, again, I encountered conspiracy and injustice, whereby, without justification, the district judge dismissed all claims against the 5 defendant judges, and subsequently, in an order that falsely alleged, I failed to state a claim upon which relief could be granted. He granted the other 4 defendants perjurious Rule 12 motions. Once again, my case was dismissed without due process, and my motions petitioned the court to vacate all void orders and judgments on record were denied. Although Congress enacted statute to remedy civil rights deprivation implemented under color of law, our government is not monitoring or enforcing compliance. Accordingly, some judges are disregarding the statute to cover up fellow judges' criminal activities. A jury trial should be mandatory when deprivation of a civil right is implemented under color of law. I've already spent 6 years fighting the District Court of South Carolina for my due process rights. I refuse to willingly give up my constitutional rights. As an American taxpaying citizen, my experience with United States courts and our government's lack of concern make me sadly aware that our American justice system is broken. Please fix it. Thank you for listening. I messed up at one